Kenya, 500 pesos.
Ay, hindi ka siya. Anto ka na. Sa kapila ate.
Oo, pero wali
Hey guys, today we're at Cathedral Grove
Cathedral Grove.
and we're gonna see 100 years old trees and even try to hug the big trees. We found the big tree there.
Okay?
Do you see? There's a
See?
big tree.
Yeah, later on.
Let's
Let's
go!
go! Close mo. See? Look at the tree. Oh, how old is this tree? Oh my G. Oh my. Wow. I think there's no bear. I know, it's so high. We are in a forest. Look at this tree. Wow. Ayan, sila. Saan na yung grupo? Ay, may sapa. Did you see the woodpecker pa? I don't know. But there was some birds chirping there earlier. We can take a video of the woodpecker. Look at that, oh. My mom. Oh. Naatok ako dito sa lamig tsaka yung sariwang hangin. How many trees to? Three trees? Wow. That. Why? Are you lost now? Ah, we're gonna go down. Buti naman naghintay. Ha?
Nagpicturan pa yan.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down to
on the
that
other
there
side,
to see the water.
the
Like,
little kids.
I've been staring at the edge
there a
of the
fish there?
water. I can remember never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try.
Careful ha. Gee. You go hold it. Oh.
That's it, that's it. Go hide it.
All right. Hi.
Me and my dad are walking on the wood, and I have to be careful so that I don't fall.
Jump. Oh, wow. Look at
Ang
that.
lambot ng loob.
Ang Douglas mga lambot. Yan parang ang gatong lang. Pang
Ano la, pauga ngayon, hindi ka mag...
bark. Ano na yun? Moch ba yun?
Bark yung labas niya.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because it's almost my birthday. And also share, comment, and hit the notification bell and subscribe so you'll never miss a video.
Ang bilis ng aking ating leader Here's a giant trees.
See Cathedral Grove on a short loop walk that takes you through a forest of giant trees. The largest are 800 years old.
Oh,
but
let's go one way. One more, go. Where's your daddy? Ayaw na?
into the other trail.
Douglas Fair.
We're gonna go for another walk. This is a never-ending walk.
Yeah. Alright, which way? But I think it was I don't know. Which way? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's baha. It's flooded. Where are we gonna go? Easy. The other side is much better, right?
Oh, again. So we also have a second one. Our first one over there. We finished it. Now we're on to our second one.
Oh,
And
can
I'm
you
on top
still
of
make
this-
it? It's a long walk.
Yep.
Yeah.
But I can use speed boost.
All right. Okay, let's walk some more over there. I think there's a bridge that side. All right.
So this is me and my mom. We saw the tallest tree. Whoa! So it's 800 years old, I think.
We did it. We made it.
Yeah, how many people do you
Oh my
think they can
gee.
hug this
Kinda
tree? It's so
hug,
big.
Go, hi. Hi. Jump.
that's it, right?
Okay, you say bye-bye na.
Are you sure? We don't know yet.
Ito na ba yun ah? Did we go this way? Maybe there's the triangle that you can go inside. That tree, that's the, yeah. Wow. Go inside there. Turn right. Turn right. Go. Yeah. All right. Okay, go. Go inside. What's inside there?
Kind of creepy.
Okay. Ayun. You're hungry na? Tired? Tired na?
This should be the one.
Okay. I think this is the one. Going home. I think we lost Daddy.
Hotel. Oh, that's for this one, right?
Yeah, this is the way out na.
So okay, so we're going back home now. We find a way. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye, and stay tuned for our next video, which is the kite flying, and we already have his shorts of that.